Hello, I'm Dr. Mike Lips. My virtual presentation for the 2021 convention is a PowerPoint presentation titled The Demonization of Hypnosis. The presentation is designed to show the hypnotist how to counter evangelical Christian objections by doing an exegesis, a correct interpretation of Scripture. I will cover the following topics. First, what is an exegesis? Second, how to use the King James Version of the Bible in countering evangelical Christian questions about demonic influence. And third, how to do an exegesis for countering evangelical belief that hypnosis is demonic. This presentation is best for those who want to help their clients who feel threatened by the misbelief hypnosis is demonic. I look forward to sharing my program with you. Thank you.